Okay, real estate agents, back inside Sam to build another system for you guys. This time we're going to build an email. At a time where open rates are low, it's important now more than ever to ensure that we have tailored content that we're sending to our leads to ensure that they're getting value out of the things that we send them. The specific email is going to be a follow-up email, and I'm going to adjust the member niche from new construction to first-time home buyers using one of the other niches that I had built into my settings. Member voice and objective is good, so we're just going to go ahead and begin. You know the drill. Sam's going to take a second to think about all the pieces of information you provided him, everything you have listed inside your settings, as well as the specifics of this resource you're looking to build, and then we are going to have some refining questions pop out. From here, I'm going to go ahead and read each of the refining questions, along with the answers that Sam pre-filled in for me to help me out, and make sure that all of this content is accurate and is exactly what I'm looking to drive context to. Went ahead and thumbs down that question because I don't know that it's the best question, but we're going to go ahead and keep checking all of the other ones. So far, so good. Looking at each of these, just doing a real quick read, make sure that they all sound good. Do want to make the length of this just a little bit longer. We're going to adjust this to 400 words to 600 words. To ensure that this email has a little bit of length, but not too lengthy. I don't know about you, but sometimes in my emails I get a little wordy, and so keeping it brief and allowing Sam to really help focus in can really help us out a lot, especially when we're trying to deliver really good content to engage with leads for some follow-up. At this point, you know the drill. Sam is thinking about all of the different pieces of content, how you answered all of the questions, as well as all of the specifics that you have built into your settings, and he is going to generate something custom to you. It's never before been seen. Now all we have to do is read through it and apply a little bit of discernment, editing each of the different pieces of text, and we can just copy it, send it over to our CRM or right into a Gmail, maybe a Hootsuite if you're a Hootsuite kind of person, but now in less than 2 minutes, with the help of Sam, we were able to be guided through the process of creating pretty incredible re-engagement email that can be sent out, and there's another resource built out by Sam. Let me know what you think about this one, as well as what you'd like to see Sam do next.